This is the review of 1byone Bluetooth keyboard. 1byone keyboard comes in a simple cardboard box, inside of which, besides the keyboard, you will find user's guide, 6 rubber feet that can be stick to the keyboard, and micro USB cable to charge the keyboard. The keyboard is made of black plastic and weighs 260 grams. It has Bluetooth version 3.0, works with tablets, smartphones and laptops. The capacity of the battery is 280 mAh. According to 1byone, the standby time is about 90 days, uninterrupted work time is about 90 hours, and the charging time is 4 hours. The keyboard has a power saving mode. It will enter into sleep mode after being idle for 15 minutes. To activate it, just press on the key and wait for 3 seconds. The front panel has a QWERTY keyboard without the numeric keypad. It has multifunction keys and application shortcuts. Below you will find a touchpad that supports gestures in Windows 8. A list of supported gestures can be found in the user's guide. In the lower right corner you will find 2 LEDs. The first one turns green when the keyboard is switched on and turns red while charging. The blue LED shows the status of Bluetooth connection, and below it you will find on-off switch. In addition, the front panel has 4 rubber feet that protect the screen of your Android tablet or iPad from scratches. To connect the keyboard to a device, press the F10 key and letter C. When the keyboard is detected, for example by tablet, you'll be asked to enter the PIN and confirm it by pressing Enter. Pairing process is required only once. Next time, after turning it on, it will automatically connect to your device. Only one device can be actively paired at a time. The keyboard works without any problems. Keys have a good tactile feedback, but pressing them is a bit audible. However, space key is a bit louder than the other keys, so for example, making notes during a lecture may disturb a person sitting next to you. Due to the fact that the keys are close to each other, people with thicker, larger fingers may have some problems while using the keyboard. In addition, the markings on the keys are printed, so with time and intensive usage they may start to erase. To sum up, 1byone Bluetooth keyboard is a compact and inexpensive keyboard that can be useful to people who write frequently on tablets. During our test, it worked without any problems, although a close arrangement of keys can cause problems for some when writing. Thank you for watching, please comment and subscribe for more videos.